Yeah, baby, I've been making plans. Baby, I've been making plans.
My success about it. I mean it. Look, I'll admit it, albeit pathetic, that I'm in my late 20s, still never been to a wedding. Cause the idea of that lobby empty, do not sit with me.
Ooh, bag nugget, ooh, no bag no one. Ooh, bag nugget, ooh, no bag no one. Them jimbling a sweet man, Cavan. When I say jimbling, I say jimbling. When I bite it, you throw back lock up.
Did the car have Judah girl?
Thanks.
More? Cavan.
I'm applying for cutest. Jamaica.
Okay, so I watch a lot of TikToks, and I watch the TikToks on, you know, like where we're from and the whole star system and this alien group, that alien group, whatever. To me, they're all fallen angels. That's what I believe, though. But bruh, Janae Aiko, I don't see a lot of people on TikTok talking about Janae Aiko about how she had on her Halloween costume, and her caption was she's finally taking off her costume for the first time since she landed. That could all be a joke, but she was the only one that was dressed how she was dressed. When I went through her Instagram pictures, they said that she was the only one that was like went all out on her costume. Everybody else just looked like a regular Halloween costume, but hers looked so real. And I kept on looking for like little cracks and like seams, and I was like, what is going on? There's no way this can be real. But a part of me believe, and a part of me is like, she's joking, so I know I'm half and half. That's what I think.
SCP staff containment breach challenge. Blind duet this video and do not look ahead, because you don't get a heads up when disaster is going to strike. Rules: no facial coverings. We need to be able to see your entire face. You only get one take. No edits, no effects, no pauses. If you cheat, you have to live with that dishonor. Pass or fail, you have to post your video. Ready? Let's go. Don't blink. It's SCP-173. You're alone in the room. It's 30 seconds until someone can get to the room to save you. Maybe you're good at staring when you can prepare, but this is a surprise drill, so if you fail now, you know what it would be like in real life. Go ahead and try holding your eyes open with your fingers or blinking one eye at a time if you can. But your eyelid muscles are not used to doing that, so under pressure, many people are going to fail. If you blink both eyes, you die. After this recording ends, review your tape to see how you did and post with the hashtag ISurvived173 or 173GotMe.
It is the gaslight effect. The gaslight effect, hear me well, is when somebody tries to make you think you are crazy when you know that you are not. You know what you've seen, you know what you heard, you know what you felt, and they tirelessly trying to convince you that your thoughts are not real, that what you saw is imagined, and what you heard has been misunderstood. I want to tell you, if nobody else will tell you, you are not crazy. You are just connected to somebody who is.
Boy, baby, more than ungrateful if we make a complaint right now. Life I come together, everything wonderful. Like, I'm learning to have more patience with myself, take one day at a time, and you know, my mental health has just been great.
Girl, you my love, no other cat me no prefer. Tell her me not go leave, and she said great man, whatever. She said me don't make it, and so much girl won't give me pleasure, but so much mean nothing if me not have a girl me suffer. Cause girl, you me love, you me love. What kind of heart that girl you come and tell me about? No, girl, you me love, you me love. Girl, you my love, no other cat me no prefer. Tell her me not go leave, and she said great man, whatever. She said me don't make it, and so much girl won't give me pleasure, but so much mean nothing if me not have a girl me suffer. Cause girl, you me love, you me love. What kind of heart that girl you come and tell me about? No, girl, you me love, you me love. And no words alone, me actions speak.
You don't understand. My man is so loyal, he watches porn with no girls in it.
I'm gonna tell her.
Wait, what?
Happy, happy birthday from the Chili's crew. We wish it was our birthday so we could party too. Hey!
It's me! Jessica! I'm in here!
70s, 80s, and 90s babies. Drop those videos.
I am 35. I'll be 36 this year. 2 boys.
But at the same time, like I said, and me, you know, I'm 56 years old.
Damn!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
What your hairstyle say about you, girl edition. First, we got the bald baddie. If you got the bald baddie, you probably got a really fat ass. You're usually very friendly, but you get your shit done correctly and in a timely manner. Example 2.
I like your ears.
Mine?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. Oh, I like your spots.
Really? I used to cover them up, but, you know.
I asked myself if I'm crazy, and we all said no. So